Some of the girls feel like automatically I have an advantage over them because I'm awesome and, you know, I totally have it going on.
What's good, Fraanse Fam? So today I'm going to be reviewing the Brassy Bra. Today this video is sponsored by Brassy Bra. I'm excited to review this product. I was a customer before coming an ambassador, and I just want to tell you a little bit about it. I'm going to show you guys how to apply it. I'm also going to show you guys different styles that you can use the Brassy Bra with, and how to hide the Brassy Bra under certain styles that you need. I currently have a Brassy Bra on. I did cut it so that it's hidden. So that's what I mean when I say you can cut it. So let me find some scissors to cut this. So first I'm going to carefully place the tape side against the lower area of my breast. Then I'm going to straighten the tape, lift it up, and place it where I feel it is most comfortable. Make sure to smooth out the Brassy Bra as much as possible. There might be an air bubble or two, most likely not, but if there is, make sure to straighten it out as much as possible so that it can be the smoothest and at its best under your garments. The Brassy Bra is heat activated and will create a firmer grip the longer you wear them, providing support all day long and all day night through. You can also use a dryer, which I am using in this video, or you can rub your hands against the Brassy Bra, which I am also doing here. It's totally up to you. So here you can see that the Brassy Bra is poking out. This will most likely be the case under any garment that you wear, but the beautiful thing about it is you can cut it so that the Brassy Bra is hidden. It will not affect the lift, which is amazing, but you're more than welcome to cut it so that it's hidden under your garment depending on what type of garment you have. So what is a Brassy Bra? A Brassy Bra is an adhesive bra. It's a totally new second skin breast tape, which is 97% cotton. A lot of brands, their adhesive bras aren't really cotton. They aren't really good for your skin. The Brassy Bra is completely breathable. So so you can see the texture up close. It's completely breathable. You can dance, you can work out, you can swim in these Brassy Bras. There are a lot of workout gear that don't have underwire bras for people like me. And the Brassy Bra would be super perfect for that. I know there are, I used to get discouraged about workout tops that didn't have underwires because I knew that it wouldn't look good, and then there would be no stability for my boobs as I worked out. So this will give you a lot of stability. Like I said, you can swim with it, you can wear it under anything. It's waterproof. Like, it's waterproof, y'all. It is waterproof. There are a lot of adhesive boob tapes, and I know we have all tried it. We have tried it all, y'all. And a lot of boob tapes do not work in the water. Like, it's gonna roll down, it's not gonna work. These are amazing. They can be applied with heat, so if you wanna rub on them, the smoothest way, make sure they're completely smooth when you apply them. Make sure that you do not have any oil, any moisture, anything on your skin. You want to apply them to a dry skin because they will roll down. They won't apply, they won't be at their best, should I say. You also want to make sure that you cut them so that you can hide them underneath your clothing. Like I said, I actually have a Brassy Bra on right now, and this is amazing, y'all. Like I said, I am a 34 DDD. It is so hard to find something unless it's an underwire bra that's gonna lift up your boobs. A lot of stuff works for a short period of time. The Brassy Bra, I've worn them for an entire day. So like I said, I was a customer prior to becoming an ambassador. I love the Brassy Bra. For those who don't know, I've done videos about getting reductions and different things like that. The Brassy Bra helps those of all breast types. They go up to quadruple D. I am a triple D. I'm a 34 DDD. And as we all know, there are a lot of styles for women that are busty that it's hard to wear without a bra. Like strapless, halter tops and things like that. Even a style like this can be very difficult to wear without a bra if you're pretty busty. So I wanted to make this video for my busty girls, but I want you guys to know that the Brassy Bra is for all cup sizes, all boob shapes, anything. This will lift any kind of boob up, like I promise you. Like, you could, the research is out there. This is the way to go. I've tried, so Fashion Nova has like a breast tape that lifts the boob up, but Brassy Bra is waterproof. If you want to wear it under a swimsuit, all swimsuits don't come wired. So for my busty girls out there, if you want to wear a swimsuit, this is the wave. So this is the packaging. This is how it comes. There's also that little extra. So if you have a boob that kind of spills over, I have that. You can basically take it, and you'll see the video here where you can take it and add it to the side so that everything is inward and everything looks amazing. But it's up to you. If you don't want to use that, you don't have to, but it is available on the Brassy Bra site along with the Brassy Bra. So that little extra is just to give more push-up and a rounder shape, also more support and a larger fit. So we're gonna go ahead and apply that around the side of the breast. This is the side which has like more spillage, and it's supposed to just give you a rounder shape. Go ahead and smooth it out just like you applied the Brassy Bra, and you can also cut that as well to hide it underneath the garment. So this is the packaging. I just cut it open, and it comes with, sorry I dropped it. It comes with the test patch. So you want to make sure this is good enough for your skin, and rub it gently. So it says to apply the test patch to the skin on the inner lower arm and rub gently to affirm the adhesive. So this is really, really good because I have sensitive skin, and you can test this on your skin before actually applying the product to make sure that you don't have a reaction or anything like that. So this is bomb. They're looking out for us. So the packaging, it has the instructions on top. It tells you which one is left, which one is right. It tells you how to apply the Brassy Bra, and it also comes with nipple covers, which are great because when you apply like adhesive bras and stuff like that, your nipples can still kind of see through the shirt, or they poke through the shirt. So this is perfect because you put this over first, and then you put the Brassy Bra on, and you don't see nothing. I promise it looks like you got your boobs done. Like, if I'm gonna show you guys everything, you guys are gonna see how it looks when I have it on one boob versus when I don't have it on the other boob. Y'all are gonna see it all. So this video is gonna give you everything you need. If you're not convinced by the end of this video, you're gonna be convinced by the end of this video. I promise you that. So they come with 3 pairs. So that little extra also comes with 3 pairs. I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like. So this is the Brassy Bra, and they come in almost all skin types. I think they do come in all skin types. So this is basically my skin type. This is caramel. You don't have to get your skin type if you want a black Brassy Bra or you want a different skin tone. That's totally fine. I know some people might feel like, oh, it's gonna be seen through. This doesn't show through at all. You cannot see the Brassy Bra underneath. It's very smooth. Everything looks bomb. So these are the Brassy Bras. I'm going to show you guys how to apply them. So like I said, it comes with 3. It comes with this little paper over them, and it comes with 3 sets. They can last all day. In order to take them off, they suggest coconut oil. You don't, please do not take these Brassy Bras off without using anything. You're going to rip your skin. You're going to irritate the skin as well, and that's not something you want to do. So make sure you take this off with coconut oil or whatever you prefer. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. My coupon code will be in the description box, as far as a link to the Brassy Bra website. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button at the top. Also too, don't forget to hit that notification bell at the bottom of this video, so every time I post a video, you'll be the first to know. I hope you guys check out this product. I promise you it's amazing, especially for my busty girls out there. Please know that this defies gravity. If you're going to a special occasion, you're going for a dip in the pool, anything, just know this is the way to go. It's like no other adhesive bra I've ever used. Like I said, I was a customer before being sponsored by them. I was a customer before coming to Ambassador, and I promise you, this is the wave. I have not seen anything like it. It's breathable. It's everything, y'all. Like, I'm not even saying this just cause, like, this is the wave. So I hope you guys check out their products. I love their products. It's called Brassy Bra, once again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. You made it to the end of this video. I have so much more in store for you guys. Make sure to click here or here for the next video, and make sure to subscribe so that you're always in the loop of the next video. Bye.